There's a solar system at the edge of the Milky Way galaxy where you will find a planet called Earth. At a continent called Africa, there's a country called South Africa. There are so many diverse cultures, it is often called a rainbow nation, from Tswana to Pedi, from Xhosa to Zulu, but today we will be focusing on the Basotho culture and their famous cuisine, food. What's that sound?
That was my stomach. Africa, what are we having for today? Africa.
We will be preparing our famous Basotho cuisine, and our dish will have Maqebekwane, also known as dumplings, beef stew, Moroho, spinach, pumpkin, Mokopu, we call it Mokopu, and for our beverage, we'll be making Motoho, which is also known as soft porridge. The first and most vital step when cooking is washing your hands. You don't want those nasty germs from your hands being part of your dish, right? To make Maqebekwane, we're going to use 2 cups of brown red wheat flour, 500 milliliters of water, half a cup of sugar, 5 milliliters of yeast, and 2 milliliters of table salt.
Okay, here's what's happening here. There's a heat transfer that is known as convection that takes place when the steam from the warm water rises and heats up the dough. In this way, the dough can reach fermentation and be ready to be baked. I'm a scientist, I know this. See, back in the days, people of the Basotho culture didn't have ovens or stoves, so how did they cook? They collected wood or cow dung.
Cow dung!
Yes, cow dung. Collecting cow dung so that they can store it, dry it, so that they can use it as fuel for cooking and heating. Cow dung contains biogases like methane and carbon dioxide. Did you hear that? Methane. It is highly flammable. This makes cow dung a very resourceful fuel for producing heat. It's not like you're cooking food with human...
Boiling water.
Confused? Here's how it works. You have the dough inside a tin can that is placed inside a pot that is filled with boiling water. As the water boils, the heat from the water flows to the bread, and that's how it is baked. I'm not sure if you can get the same bread if you use an oven.
To make our beef stew, we're going to use our beef cubes, potatoes, onions, pepper, carrots, curry powder, spices, soup powder. This is Moroho, spinach.
Preparing our pumpkin, we're gonna need some water, oil, cinnamon, chopped pumpkins, and sugar.
Sick of hell.
Wait, niya ka hari.
This is tomuso.
For making Motoho, we boil water first. After stirring and stirring our tomuso, and after that, you're gonna have to keep stirring and stirring until it becomes thicker than how it is right now.
it looks delicious.